Hey everyone, this is DYDX, and today I will be showing you how you can easily onboard to DYDX using two networks, the Polygon network and the Base network. I will be using both Robinhood and Coinbase to send assets. In my Coinbase wallet, I do have some Polygon token, which is more than enough to perform these transactions, and some USDC. If you want to receive crypto, the first thing you want to do is click the receive button and get your Coinbase wallet. As you can see, these are the supported networks. And since we will be using Base and Polygon, this is the wallet address that you would be using. Next, you want to switch over to your Robinhood app and go to the crypto tab at the bottom left. There you will see your USDC holdings. Click it. Then you want to tap send. Here, you will see all the options that are supported by Robinhood. You will click Polygon Matic Network. Now, I didn't show the screen where you have to input your address, but that is the next step that you would do. This is the final screen that you would see, and as you can see, the fees are very low. So once you have sent the crypto from Robinhood to your wallet address, it usually takes about 1 to 2 minutes to actually receive it in your wallet. As you can see here, I am waiting for the USDC to arrive on my wallet, and it should be coming in any second. And as you can see, we have received the crypto. Now let's switch over to Coinbase, where we will be sending some of our crypto to our Coinbase wallet. Now, the first thing you want to do is click transfer and click send crypto. Now, here in my Coinbase account, I have some USDC, but at this current moment, December 2024, I am not able to send out USDC in any other network besides Ethereum, which is something I don't want to do. So a way around this is to actually send another crypto using the Base network. Now, the best option for this is to actually send Ethereum using the Base network. So here I have some Ethereum, and I am going to send the maximum amount, which is around $604. And as you can see here, I am able to select the network. We do not want to click Ethereum. As you can see, the fees are a bit high, but we want to click sending the Base network. And here it will ask us a question if our address can actually receive Base, and we want to click yes. Now, if you want to find out your Ethereum address, just go back to your wallet and get your wallet address that we did in the beginning. Here, I'll copy my wallet address and go back over here on the Coinbase site and paste it. As you can see here in the preview, sending through the Base network takes about 27 seconds and it is free. So here I have sent my Ethereum using the Base network, and as you can see here, I have already received it, which I would say took less than 10-15 seconds. And now we are ready for the next step. So now that we have some Ethereum in our wallet, in the Base network, we have to swap some of this Ethereum for some USDC. So let's use Coinbase Wallet's app section. And here I'm going to use DeFi Llama. I have been using this for a year or so, and I really enjoy this site. And as you can see here, make sure you are on the right website and verify the URL. I'm going to connect my Coinbase wallet. And now I just switched the chain from Ethereum to Base. Now you want to make sure you leave some Ethereum in your wallet and not swap all of it out, because Ethereum is what is used as gas payments whenever you're using the Base network. So here I am using most of my Ethereum here and swapping it for USDC. And here I simply approve the transaction. And I just wait a few seconds for it to complete. Now our transaction is submitted, and I am going to view it on Basescan. And as you can see, it only took about 5 cents worth of Ethereum to make this transaction. And if we head back to our Coinbase wallet, we can see that we have our USDC, and we still have some Ethereum left. That way we can perform future transactions. So let's head to the DYDX website and connect our Coinbase wallet. If this is your first time, it will usually ask you to sign a message. So once your wallet is connected, you will see this screen appear, but do not click the screen. Instead, head to Portfolio and click the deposit button on the bottom left. There, you will change the source from Ethereum to Base, and as you can see, it correctly identifies the amount of USDC you have in your wallet. Now here is essentially a summary of what will happen. The bridge fee will be about 2 cents, and it will take about 19 minutes for this complete transaction to happen. First, we have to switch our network, which it does for us. Then we have to acknowledge the approval of using our USDC, which here I will confirm. Now here you wait about 30 seconds for the transaction to approve. Then you're going to have to approve another transaction for the bridge. So this is the final transaction that you have to approve for the bridging process to complete. This is what will take the longest. It usually takes about 20 to 30 minutes. In my experience, when I have used Ethereum or Arbitrum or any other layer 2 network, it takes about 30 minutes for it to actually complete. So if you're doing this on a schedule or time, I would say do this step, then go grab a cup of coffee and simply wait for the deposit. Now, let's say you need help wondering where are your funds. Let's say it's been over 30 minutes. Don't worry, click the initial deposit link right here. And what you want to do is copy the transaction hash at the top. Next, you want to go to this website, usdc.range.org/USDC. Type in that transaction hash. And as you can see, the status is still pending, and you can click on it. And this will essentially let you know what is happening. So if you have any issues, if you're wondering where your money is, you should check out this site and see what is happening with your USDC. So my deposit of $587 took about 22 minutes. And one thing I want to show you real quick is my portfolio value. As you can see, it is $586, not the $587 that was shown earlier. So you might be wondering, especially if you deposit a lower amount, where exactly did that missing funds go? And here is what I want to show you, the mint scan. So to figure this out, you want to click on the top right on your DYDX address and click on mint scan. Now this website should be your next best friend, because if you plan on using DYDX in the future, this is the site to go. Now here is the answer. As you can see, we have our equity, which is similar to the one on the DYDX website. And as you can see here, we have 1.24 USDC saved in our wallet. Now this USDC is reserved for creating sub-accounts in our DYDX address. So there is no gas payments when you are placing orders, but if you create a sub-account, this USDC will be used as gas payment to create that sub-account. So now let's deposit some USDC using the Polygon network. If we go back to our Coinbase wallet, you can see I have $98 worth of USDC. Now, similar to the previous step that we did using the base network, we want to hit portfolio, deposit, and switch our source from Ethereum to the Polygon. Now here we want to type in the Polygon USDC on the top, and I am going to deposit all the Polygon that I have. Here it shows us a summary of what will happen. The bridge fee is 2 cents and it will take about 14 minutes. I am going to switch the network to Polygon, which it does for us automatically. Then I will hit the deposit funds. Here it will ask us to approve our USDC transaction, so it can actually use our USDC. I'm going to confirm it. Then you wait a few seconds for the next transaction, which you will need to approve as well. And one thing I want you to note is how low the fees are here using Polygon. As you can see, the fees are less than a cent. So my deposit finally finished, and that took about 8 minutes. So let me just view it on MintScan. As you can see here, this was an old balance, which I'll be refreshing. And as you can see here, this is my new equity. By now, you should have funds in your DYDX account. In this tutorial, we went over how to send assets from either Robinhood or Coinbase to our wallet address. We use Robinhood to send our USDC using the Polygon network, and we use Coinbase to send Ethereum from Base network to our wallet address. Now let's talk about the fees that we use for this tutorial. When we swap from Ethereum to USDC, that costed us about 5 cents. Approving USDC took about 2 cents. Performing the bridge took about 5 cents. And in total, using the base network, it took about 22 minutes. And we paid 12 cents in Ethereum. Now, of course, we could have gone or spent a much higher transaction fee so we could lower the amount of time. But for this tutorial, I decided to use the slow option. With Polygon, proving the USDC took less than a cent. Performing the bridge also took less than a cent, and it took about 8 minutes. So in total, we paid less than a cent using our POL token, and it was much faster compared to Base Network.